Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming this simple spark plug, which you usually use to ignite your engine, into a surprisingly powerful portable soldering iron. You might think spark plugs are only good for, well, sparking, but I'll show you how to give it a completely new purpose, capable of some truly surprising feats. I'll take a red electrical wire and strip a small section of its insulation. This exposed copper will be our first electrical contact point. I'll then carefully attach this stripped end to the top electrode of the spark plug, ensuring a tight connection for optimal conductivity. A strong connection is crucial for efficiency. Next, I'll wrap the other end of this red wire around the metal body of the spark plug. This acts as our second contact point. After that, I'm stripping the insulation from the very end of the wire and twisting the copper strands tightly. This ensures a clean and effective electrical connection for what's coming next. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Now, I'm taking a longer red wire. I'll strip one end and connect it securely to the spark plug's top electrode. I'll use my pliers to crimp it tightly, making sure there's no loose contact. This extended wire will be essential for connecting to our power source later on, giving us more reach and flexibility. To ensure safety and proper insulation, I'm going to wrap the entire spark plug assembly with red electrical tape. This covers all the exposed wires and metal parts, except for the very tip, of course. This is super important to prevent any accidental short circuits and to provide a comfortable grip when I'm using the tool. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. For the handle, I'm using a section of PVC pipe. I'll measure it to a suitable length using a ruler and then mark the cut lines with a marker. After marking, I'll use my pipe cutters to precisely cut the PVC. This piece will house our spark plug assembly, providing a safe and sturdy grip. I'm carefully inserting the spark plug assembly into the freshly cut PVC pipe. I'll make sure the tip protrudes just enough. I'm using my pliers to adjust and secure the spark plug within the pipe, ensuring all connections remain snug and stable inside the new handle. Taking the free end of the red wire, I'll strip a bit more insulation to expose the copper strands. Then, I'll securely attach a red alligator clip to this end. This will be our positive terminal connection to the battery. For the actual heating element, I'm going to extract a carbon rod from this small battery. I'll carefully cut away the outer casing and clean the rod with a tissue to remove any residue. Now, here's a neat trick. I'm inserting the carbon rod into my drill and using sandpaper to meticulously sharpen its tip. This sharpened tip is crucial because it will concentrate the heat effectively, allowing for precise soldering. With the carbon rod sharpened, I'll now replace the spark plug's original tip with our newly prepared carbon rod. And there you have it, our modified spark plug tool is almost ready. Now, for the negative connection, I'm taking a blue wire. I'll strip both ends and attach two blue alligator clips, one on each end. These will connect to the negative terminal of our battery and the workpiece. I've got a battery here as our power source. I'll attach the red alligator clip from our spark plug tool to the positive terminal of the battery. The blue alligator clip will go to the negative terminal. Let's see what happens when I touch the carbon tip to these razor blades. Watch closely. See how it instantly glows red hot and melts right through the metal? This little tool is surprisingly powerful. Let's try welding this bolt to this metal square tubing. I'll connect the blue alligator clip to the bolt, providing a ground. Now, I'll apply the heated carbon tip to the contact point between the bolt and the tubing. See that bright glow and the molten metal? It's fusing them together. This homemade device is perfect for quick, small welding jobs. And just like that, the bolt is securely welded to the metal. This truly demonstrates the versatility and power we've unlocked from a simple spark plug. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.